required to produce 81 gram of water after complete combustion. Methane plus O2 to give CO2 and H2O. So 2H2O. So it is 2O2. So moles of methane required to produce 81 gram of water. So 2 into 18 gram of water. So moles of methane required is 1. So produce 81 gram of water. So it is 81 by 36 mole. कितना आया? 2.25. So it is 2.25 mole. So it is 225 into 10 raised per minus 2 mole. So 225 into 10 raised per minus 2.